Cosmo SPA is a pharmaceutical plant located in Lainate, 20 kilometers from Milan. The plant is the production center of Cosmo Pharmaceuticals, an international pharmaceutical group listed on the Swiss Stock Exchange since 2007 and specialized in the development of next-generation medicines for the diagnosis and treatment of gastrointestinal diseases. Cosmo SPA produces solid, semi-solid and liquid oral medicines on the group's behalf for Italian and international pharmaceutical companies. The Lainate plant covers an area of 7,000 square meters and is devoted to the production of drugs and the preparation of clinical batches. The warehouse, managed by the SAP information system, has a capacity of 2,600 pallet spaces in 3 different climatic areas with controlled temperature and humidity. To ensure the full traceability in compliance to good manufacturing practices, all materials and products handled in the warehouse are identified by a unique code and by a batch assigned by the SAP information system. In the sampling department, through the use of Raman technology, calibrated scales and disposable tools, raw materials are sampled by qualified quality control operators for the necessary laboratory analysis before their use in the production process. All the components for the production departments are dispensed in dedicated areas, equipped with various weighing stations and the use of down-cross hoods to control cross-contamination and software for the management and traceability of the operations. The production departments have dedicated entrances. The solid oral departments are independent and approved by the United States Food and Drug Administration for products to be distributed in the US market. The processes are carried out in a closed system. All machinery, equipped with PLC, is highly automated and is composed of granulators and fluid bed dryers, blenders, high-speed tableting machines with dedusters, metal detectors and software for the continuous control of the production, and pans for film coating equipped with systems for the continuous control of process parameters. The new departments approved by Italian and US authorities allow Cosmo to increase production capability, improving services, guaranteeing the highest quality and safety of our pharmaceutical products. MMX technology, developed by Cosmo Pharmaceuticals, allowed to release the active ingredients in order to enhance the efficacy of oral drugs as well as the compliance of the patients. MMX technology has resulted in products that have carved out spaces on the major world markets: Lialda, Mesovan, Mesavancol, Euceris, Cortiment, Aimcolo and Lume Blue. Suppositories, syrups, drops, creams and gels are prepared in the liquids semi-solids department. The packaging lines are equipped with electronic systems, inspection cameras, sensors, barcode readers and inline scales enable 100% quality control, guaranteeing a pharmaceutical product that meets high quality and safety standards. The department is also equipped with packaging lines for semi-solid and filling machinery for oral use liquid products. The Research and Development Department carries out various activities for the group and customers, such as formulation studies, industrial scale-ups and clinical batch preparation. The department uses high-tech equipment on a reduced scale compared to the industrial plants. The Quality Department includes the Quality Control Labs and the Validation and Regulatory Affairs units, and has the responsibility of ensuring the quality of the pharmaceutical products through specific standard operating procedures that ensure compliance in the application of current good manufacturing practices. Quality control is comprised of the chemical and microbiological laboratories. Every raw material, packaging material and finished product undergoes careful analysis using validated methods. The cutting-edge analytical instrumentation, qualified in accordance with the regulations in force, guarantees the accuracy of the analytical results and the integrity of the electronic data. The validation unit validates the production processes, keeping them constantly under control through calibration and maintenance plans and periodic qualification of the machinery and systems involved. The plant's quality system is certified in accordance with the ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 standards and is focused on continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. The plant is in possession of the AIFA and FDA authorizations for the production of pharmaceuticals for the European and US markets, as well as for other major markets like Japan, Russia, South Korea and Brazil. The environmental impact of the complex is minimal. Cosmo uses filtering systems for the exhaust air, purification plants for the treatment of wash water and incineration plants for the treatment of volatile solvents. Highly trained and qualified personnel contribute to the success of the Cosmo Pharmaceuticals Group, a success that translates to better quality of life for millions of people. An unflagging desire for innovation makes the Lainate plant a centre of excellence that is known and appreciated by the global markets. A group that combines a vision of the future with the determination to achieve it.